Good evening. Welcome to Day 47 Journey to Become Wealthy. I want to say hello, everybody. I know yesterday we missed out on a day, but today is Martin Luther King Day. Hopefully, you all had a great day. Hopefully, you guys had some time off, some time to refresh yourself, some time to think. Before we get into it, please take a moment to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the notification bell over in the corner. All right, so let's get started. Right, we're gonna talk about the metaverse today. We're gonna talk about the metaverse. The metaverse. I know a lot of you guys have seen me talking about the different crypto coins and the different things that's going into the metaverse. But I think what we have today is gonna be some major news for the metaverse. Walmart. Walmart is quietly preparing to enter the metaverse. Let's check this out, right? Walmart appears to be venturing into the metaverse with plans to create its own cryptocurrency and collection of NFTs. The big box retailer filed several new trademarks late last month that indicate its intent to make and sell virtual goods. In a separate filing, the company said it will offer users a virtual currency as well as non-fungible token or NFTs. If you guys know, like I know, this is major news for Walmart and NFTs, right? Walmart appears to be venturing into the metaverse with plans to create its own cryptocurrency and collection of non-fungible tokens or NFTs. So it said several months ago it filed to its intent to sell virtual goods, including electronics, home decorations, toys, sporting goods, personal care products. So basically, Walmart's gonna be in the metaverse with its own grocery store. I mean, I don't know if you guys remember from the last website that Snoop Dogg, somebody bought 450K land next to Snoop Dogg using Sandbox crypto. Walmart could be the next one to buy a big piece of the property, right? Walmart can get in there, get themselves established, allow so that users like you and I can walk into the Walmart, the virtual Walmart, the local Walmart, and buy goods. I mean, you can buy whatever goods you need in here. I mean, they have it here that they're listing, trying to sell several things. So they're testing new ideas. The company says some ideas become products or services that make it to the customers, and some we test, iterate, and learn from. So they're super intense, said Josh Gerben, a trademark attorney. There's a lot of language in these, which shows that there's a lot of planning going on behind the scenes about how they're going to address cryptocurrency, how they're going to address the metaverse and the virtual world that appears to be coming or that's already here. So basically, I mean, the metaverse is the next big thing. You know, when major companies like Walmart, I mean, it's a Walmart everywhere you go pretty much, right? When major companies like Walmart start to get into it, when they start to create their own NFTs, when they start to create their own way of getting in there and taking profit out of this thing, that means you definitely need a piece of the pie. I myself have, again, we've been talking about this, right? Some of the things that we're invested in, Mana, Sandbox, and I have a new play for you guys today that I think is going to be definitely a good thing for us to jump into in order for us to get a good position in the metaverse as far as, you know, just being invested in, looking forward towards the long term. And that company is Roblox. Roblox. I am considering getting into Roblox, right? Roblox is currently sitting at $78.96. It is up 5% over the past 3 months. However, that is not good because look at it. It's ran up 79% since, right? It was up November 8th, it was $77. November 19th, so in a matter of 11 days, it ran up 80%, right? It ran up 80%. So this is definitely one that could be a high growth play, high volatility. And it came back down, you guys, over the course of several months. It's come back down to this price of $78.96. I am looking, if you guys see here, I set a limit buy at $79. I am looking to get in here at $79 to establish my position. And this is just a short position. This is just a very small position of what I want to get into it. I'm looking to get in at least, at the minimum, 20 shares. But I want my shares to be under this $79, $80 range. I have been hearing a lot of news surrounding Roblox as far as it being a good company. So let's actually talk about Roblox, right? So here in the About section on Robinhood, you see it, right? It says Roblox Corp engages in the provision of online gaming services. Its platform consists of the Roblox client, the Roblox Studio, and the Roblox Cloud. The Roblox client is an application that allows users to explore 3D virtual worlds, the Metaverse, 3D virtual worlds, 3D digital worlds. The Roblox Studio is the tool set that allows developers and creators to build, publish, and operate 3D experiences, and other content accessed with the Roblox client, right? So this is major. You guys, many of you may know about what Roblox is based on your kids. My kids play in the Roblox. They love Roblox. They play there. They have a good time. They ask for money for it. So I'm already invested in it halfway. Maybe many of you are as well. So this is definitely a good play that we want to look forward to getting into. So let's do the TA on this company, right? Again, we see here it is currently sitting at 78.96. Let's see what the 52-week low. The 52-week high on it is 141.60. The 52-week low is $60.50. So that's about a 24% decrease if it goes back down to that. Again, that's the 52-week low. We don't see it. We don't expect it to go back that low. And then you have here, so the average volume, 18.46 million. That's again, high volume. That's another one of those things that we look forward to, right? So let's check it out. Let's check out stockcharts.com. Of course, I already pulled up a lot of this for you guys. I want to be able to tell you guys about this, right? So the 100-day, the current RSI, relative strength index, is at a 33, right? Meaning it has a current RSI of 33.27, right? Current RSI of 33.27, meaning it is between our 30 to 50 RSI range. This is what we like. It has a 100-day moving average of 92.40. So in the past 100 days, people have been willing to spend $92.40 on average. The past 200 days, it has a moving average of 86.71. So the past 200 days, people have been willing to spend that much. So matter of fact, I'm gonna add, in case for those of you who don't know, you can add, right? We want to add simple moving average. We're gonna add a 50-day simple moving average, right? 50 days, just to look at, see what people been spending the past 50 days. Even in the past 50 days, people have been spending $104.60. Again, this thing is showing to be oversold at 33, at an RSI of 33, meaning that eventually it will definitely come back up. Right now, it is oversold. Big investors may have sold out because they saw this thing come back down. They wanted to get out, take whatever profits they had, or whatever the case may be. But as far as a long-term hold, this thing is looking ripe. It is looking ripe in my opinion. So RSI of 33, and it is currently sitting at 78.96. So it's already in the buy range for us. And let's check out the price prediction, right? The price prediction on the low end, $70. You risk losing 11%. 11% will not hurt. So, but you do risk losing that depending on how much you invest in it, right? Again, I told you guys I'm only buying 5 shares right now. I want a total of 20. So why do you think I'm only doing that, right? I'm doing that so that if it continues to come down, I can continue to buy more shares and continue to bring my average down. I'm going to average down until this play. And that is what we should try and do, right? We want to get us a small position in. If it comes down more, we average in more. If it goes up, I guess we ride it up with that 5 shares we got, or we try and get it in where we think it's worth it, right? Where we think the value is. And for me, looking at the 100-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, people are willing to spend at least $86 in this company per share, right? So I'm thinking even then up to $85, I may be willing to buy in. But on the high side, from the current price of $79, it says $79 here, but of course you see it says delayed data as of January 14th. But based on this, the median price, it has the potential to make 56%, 56.8%, because they think the median price for Roblox should be $124. So on the low side, you risk losing 11%. But on the high side, you risk gaining. You risk gaining 56% on your dollar. And that's on the median side, actually. On the high side, you risk gaining 89.7% on your dollar. So, I mean, in my opinion, the reward far outweighs the risk. So I'm looking to get into here, especially as a long-term metaverse play, because many people, I mean, this thing is already running. It's already functional. It's already making money. It's already profitable. It's already doing what it needs to do as a company, versus cryptos, again, they don't have any real tangible asset or any real tangible uses. However, Roblox is a company. It is a tangible company. It has shares and it has profits, and we know that we can invest into it. So this is going to be my stock play as far as to get into the metaverse. Now, of course, like I said, I already have Mana, I already have Sandbox, and crypto and NFT like that. But I think Roblox is definitely going to be a big company in the future, especially if it keeps up with its current momentum, and the kids love it, right? So Roblox is definitely one that I've added to our investments, right? I added it as number 10 because again, it is high risk, right? High risk. But at this price, in my opinion, I think it'll be fine. At this price, in my opinion, I think we'll be fine, especially for the long term. As a long-term company, a long-term play, I think this joker is going to be major. So again, one thing I failed to mention as far as Walmart, right? We know that Walmart is trying to invest in the metaverse, right? This not only makes stocks or crypto in the metaverse more valuable, this makes Walmart more valuable. This is adding value to the company itself. So many of you shop at Walmart daily, weekly, monthly, whatever the case may be. This makes Walmart a potential investment. I mean, I didn't have it on my list as one. However, it can be added, right? If you guys want to add Walmart, let me know in the comments. You already know anything we want to look into, anything we think has the potential to make us some money, whether it be short term or long term. We want to talk about it. Let's have a discussion about it. We can discuss it on a video, or we can discuss it in the comments. Or if you guys want to, you can feel free to send me a DM as far as on Instagram or YouTube. So, these are three things. Really just several things to look at, right? Walmart, the metaverse, you got Mana, Decentraland, you have Sandbox, and you have Roblox. So those are four major plays, I think, right there off the top that we can look into getting into. So you guys make sure to do your own research. Let me know how you feel about those. So now that we talked about the metaverse and just some really interesting news, I want to take a quick look into what we can expect from the market from tomorrow, right? We know on last week, Friday, we ended out, I guess, pretty positive in the end, right? But flat, but positive, right? The Dow was down 0.56%. S&P 500 up 0.08%. The NASDAQ up 0.59%. Again, that is pretty flat, right? The Hang Seng up 0.58%. So these are all pretty flat days, and the market was closed today, so we did not see any movement from the market on today. And historically, Tuesdays can be correctional days or good green days, right? Usually everybody comes in on Monday, they take a sell off based on what happened on Friday. They sell stocks and we see the market come down. However, Tuesdays, we see a rebound. But due to it being a holiday, we don't know what to expect, right? We don't know whether Tuesday could take over for Monday, or whether Tuesday will continue with its momentum, right? Continues to move up and continues to hold strong. We have the Russell here showing up 0.14%. Again, these are all pretty flat, all pretty mixed signals through the market. And we looked at this on Friday, so I just want you guys, if you need to, take a moment, go back and look through Friday's video where we discussed all of these things and what we can expect. So as far as Tuesday's market, I am not certain on what we can expect. I think we can expect a mixed market, maybe more flatness on the day. However, just be ready. Again, wait through the volatility of the first 30 minutes to an hour of the market and do whatever needs to be done. As far as crypto has been down today. If crypto is any reflection of the market, which we know that crypto usually follows the market. In this case, will the market follow crypto? As of right now, tonight, crypto is down 1.7% on Bitcoin, 3% in Ethereum, 3% in Binance. Cardano is currently up 7%. Luna is down 10%. Let's look for some of the other ones we're into, right? Shiba is down 2.92%. Mana is down, looks like 7%. Mana's down 7%. Sandbox, and let me change the view, right, so many of us can see it a little better. So Bitcoin down 1.64%, Ethereum down 3.27%, Cardano up 7.13%, Solano down 3.23%, Terra Luna down 10%, Shiba Inu down 2.89%, Crow down 2.20%, which I also think Crypto.com is a good coin to be into. I know we don't talk about it much, but I do think as far as a long-term play, it is a good long-term play. Mana down 7.41% for the day, but however, it's still up 3% for the week. We're looking for Sandbox. Sandbox is down 6.38% for the day, up 2.66% for the week. So those are our two, again, metaverse plays. We want to check into those. Of course, there are many other metaverse plays out there. If you guys see any or find any that you think interesting or you want to look into, again, leave it in the comments, send it to my DMs, whatever you want to do, and we'll definitely check those out. I do not see any other cryptos that we're really into right now or that we're trying to get into heavy. But again, I'm always happy and interested in looking into more. That's really all I have for you guys for today's video. Especially, seeing that the market's been closed for 3 days now. Tomorrow's Tuesday. We can look forward to trading. Hopefully, some of you guys looking forward to making some money, whether it's on the way up or the way down. I want to mention again. Yesterday, I did not make a video, so I want to mention again the wealthy word of the week. The wealthy word of the week is ambition, and I have a quote, right? Big results require big ambitions. Big results require big ambitions. So for those of you who sitting here down yourself, or you feel as if you're down and out, or that you're gonna fail if you try, don't be afraid to try, right? Don't be afraid to fail. The only true failure is the one that you did not take the time to learn, that you did not take the time to learn from, right? So I mean, I've made many mistakes. But I've always learned from them, right? So take the time and have the ambition, have the desire, have the faith in yourself to get out here and try to go big, right? Get out here and do whatever it is that you want to do to accomplish your goals for the year 2022 and further out, right? So that's what I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for joining the journey to become wealthy, and I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.